بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today I'm going to solve the assignment 3 of Calculus 2 for engineering, and this assignment will cover chapter 10, especially 3 sections: 10.3, 10.4 and 10.5. Inshallah, in this part 1, so this will be part 1. We will cover 5 questions, and for part 2 5 questions also, so it will be 10 questions inshallah. So let's start with question 1. For the question 1, find an equation of the line passing through the points P 5, 3, negative 5 and Q 9, negative 2, 2. For the options, we can notice that it is written as a symmetric equation. That means we have to find the points. The equation should be in symmetric, and we know the symmetric equation. It is x minus x1 over t1, y minus y1 over t2, and z minus z1 over t3. Here you have to write the factor of t1, and also here, okay? So we can write it as A, it's fine, A2, A1 and A3, okay? So you have B, it is 5, 3, negative 5, and 9, negative 2 and 2. Okay, so first we have to find the V, which is vector or direction vector, okay, which is Q minus P. It will be 9 minus 5, negative 2 minus 3, and 2 minus negative 5. It will be 4, negative 5, and 7. Okay, now we have the A1, A2, A3, and we already have the point, which is B. It is 5, 3, negative 5. Okay, so we have x1, y1, and z1. And now we can write the symmetric equation. It will be x minus 5 over a1, which is 4, y minus 3 over negative 5, and 7 over, I'm sorry for that, z minus negative 5 will be positive 5 over 7. So the answer is option 2. Next one, find the intersection of the planes 8x minus y minus z equal 3 and 4x minus 2y plus z equal 3. So in this one, we have ax minus y minus z equal 3, and we have 4x minus 2y plus z equal 3. So we can notice that if we there's nothing will happen if we subtract this equation because it would not help anymore. So we have to make something that one of the variables will be disappear. So we have to make the addition. So the addition will help us to delete z, because negative z plus z, it will be 0. So it will be 12x minus 3y equals 6. So we just add two equations to eliminate z. After that, we can express y in terms of x from equation 1. So we just want to so this equation 1 and this equation 2. Okay, so here we can, like, as I said, express y in terms of x from equation y. So it will be 4x minus 2. That's because you will put 3y outside and put 6 on the other side and divide by 3. It will be y equal 4x minus 2. Then substitute y into one of the original equations, 1 or 2, to find z. So we can find, or we can choose the first equation. So 8x minus y, which is 4x minus 2, minus z equal 3. So z equal 3. After that, it will be 4x plus 2 negative minus z equal 3. So z, it will be 4x minus 1. And then express the solution in parametric form with x equal t. So we can here replace x with t, and here also. So we end up with x equal to t and y equal 4t minus 2 and z equal 4t minus 1. So the answer is option 1, first option. For for the second, or I'm sorry, third question, find the volume of the parallelepiped with 3 adjacent edges formed by the vector A, which is 4, 2, 7, B, 3, 1, 5, and C, 4, 5, 0. Okay, you have to know the volume equation, which is V, absolute value of A dot B cross X. So first of all, we have to find B across X, B across C, which is, write it in this matrix, 3 1 5, and for C 4 5 0. We all know how to compute the cross product. So to solve it fast, it will be 0 minus 2, 25 minus J, 0 minus 20 plus K, 15 minus 4. So it will be negative positive 20J plus 11K, 25 20 and 11. And then we can find 8 dot B cross X. We already have A, 4 2 7, so it will be like 4 2 7 with negative 25 20 and 11. So it will be like this. Okay, and we have 2 and 7 times 11. We end up with 17. And because okay, so to be, we end up with 17. The answer is 17. Okay. Fourth question, find the distance from the point Q, negative 4, negative 3, 0 to the line through the points P and R. Okay. So here you have to know the formula for the distance from a point to a line, which is D equal magnitude of PQ cross BR, the vector of course, over the magnitude of BR. Okay, so first you have to find, so here you already have Q and B and R. So first you have to find BR and BQ. So BR, which is R minus B, and for BQ, which is Q minus B. Okay, so R minus B, it will be negative 10 minus B, which is negative 6, and so on. So okay, I will solve it quickly. So it will be, I will write the result. It will be negative 4, negative 3, negative 4, and here 2 5 negative 1, and then you will get BQ across BR. It will be IJK BQ, which is 2 5 negative 1, negative 4, negative 3, negative 4, and we use it will be negative 3, negative 20, minus 3, minus J, negative A minus 8 minus 4, plus K, negative 6 plus 20. So it will be negative 23 I plus 2J plus 40 k, 14k. It will be negative 23, 12, and 14. And now we have to find the magnitude of PQ across PR. It will be 12 square, 14 square. It will be 29.4. Okay, and now we have to find the magnitude of PR. It will be negative 4 square, negative 3 square, negative 4 square. It will be 6.4. And then we use the formula. So it will be 29.4 over 6.4. So it will be 4.603. So the distance is 4.603. Last question, which is fifth. Find the area of triangle with vertex A, B, C. So for the area we have two types. Type 1 ask for the area of triangle, which is A cross B, and when you find the result you have to multiply with or by half. This is for the triangle. If he ask about the we can say if he ask about the area of rectangle, you do the same thing but without multiply by half. Okay, because the area of because the area of rectangular, it is L times W, and area of triangle half LW. Okay, so this one is triangle. So it will be, so we have to find the A, B. So A, B, it is B minus A. So it is, I will write the final answer. It will be 0 to 1. You can do it by yourself to practice. And this will be C minus A, which is negative 3, negative 2, negative 4. After that you have to find AB cross AC. It will be 0 to 1, and negative 3, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 4. It will be I, and sorry, it's negative because of J. Here positive, negative, positive. Okay, J, it will be 0 plus 3 plus K, 0 plus 6. It will be negative I, negative 3J, and positive 6K. It will be negative 6, negative 3, 6. Now we compute the magnitude of the cross product A, B cross A, C, which is negative 6 square, negative 3 square, and 6 square. That, and we ends up with square root of 81, which is 9. So 9, it is the final result if he asks about the area of rectangular. But in this question he asked about the area of the triangle, so we have to multiply 9 with half, so it will be 4.5. So the area is 4.5. Okay, now we finish. Inshallah, the next part we will solve the rest questions.